Shiro tajira atiriri ukina rwimbo rwa Celebrate Jesus niki weshirite niki giokite meciria-ini maku, what came into your mind? No ndukagire na githunguru ndakurio nigetha unyite
jari na githwaire
no tukaniru na githweri handa ko hanini ndio uchape yo ngoma ya Celebrate Jesus
ni ndaigwa hau no jigwe no kwaria ni very hard
hatire na thina
okay sawa so nilifanya Celebrate kwa sababu nilikuwa na feel imefika mara mingi sana kama wanadamu tuna complain sana kwa Mungu, tunalia kila wakati and God anasema ni wakati wa kushangilia in and out of the season. Mahede mothe
mahede ne bones
mahede ne bones okay
mahida mothe all the time
to celebrate because God is working out things for our good.
Asante sana tondu ndenda twambe tuthie break tugicokereria from the break tukuigwa nyimbo rwimbo rwa kurumwe nigetha ucokere mutiri uhoro wa the praise atmosphere. Why is it making a lot of noise? Why should we make noise about it? Na unyitaniri wanyu na Royal Media tugucokereria kende gatari kuraya twambe tuikirie then we come back.